Step into the 2020 Ram 2500. This four-door, six-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Top features include power windows, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.